Welcome Full of Bricks. I'm Rye. And today we are going to build this 7636, the Farm Combine Harvester. I like the farm sets. I haven't got any of the farm sets. This is the first one I'm going to build and we're doing it today. So I have a whole pile of pieces already on the ground here in front of me. And now that I found all the pieces I thought I was missing, we can actually build this. So let's begin. these are all the other farm sets they had. This is before I got back into Lego, before my dark ages were over. Because these are cool. I like farming sets. Farming sets are cool. Got the silo and a pig farm. I actually have the mini red tractor. I have that set too. That's over there. But this is cool. It's got your big arm, so you can go out to the truck that's falling next to it and spit the hay out into it. I'm guessing this is where like your hay would be. That's where I'm gonna put my hay for now anyway, so I don't lose them. Got my hay in there. That goes back on top. Closes nice. And you still got all three sides openings. The easy access for the guy. One thing I'm wondering about here is, let's put his cup down. Oh yeah, always on the right side. So if he's down here, how is he reaching up to the ladder? Right up the ladder, climb. I mean, he's a big jumper, I don't know. And we'll get him back in his seat here. Close him back up. And this is bouncy, so it'd be like if you have like hard ground, it's got a little bit of suspension. And these turn, super cool. I like them. There we go. There we go. Well, normally your tractor would be driving forwards and it would be working. But anyway, you get the idea. So, this is my second farm set. I think it's really, really cool. So, again, I'm Rye. This is my first solo build. Hope I did a good job with my cool combine harvester. So, as they always say, like, share, and subscribe is supposed to be right here, supposedly. Okay? Bye for now.